Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you where to find the saved game files and config files for Forza Horizon 6 on PC. I'll guide you step by step through every folder so it's easy to follow. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Start menu and type File Explorer. Open it. Now on the left side, click on this PC. Double-click your local disk C drive. Now open each folder one by one. Xbox games, GameSave, PGS. Open the U folder. Open the 2 folder. Your folder number might be different. Open Containers root. Open the User folder. Inside this folder, you will find your Forza Horizon 6 save files. Step 3. Alternative save game location. If you cannot find your save files in the first location, go back to your C drive. Now open these folders one by one. Users. Your Windows username folder. App data. If you cannot see the App Data folder, click on View at the top of File Explorer. Enable hidden items. Now continue opening these folders. Local. Forza Horizon 6. Local storage _ shared. Open the User folder. Inside this folder, you may also find your saved game files. Step 4. Find the config file. Now go back to the local storage _ shared folder. Open Forza User Config Selection. Locate the file called User Config Selections, right-click the file. Select Open With. Choose Notepad. Inside this file, you can edit your Forza Horizon 6 game settings and configuration options. That's it! Now you know exactly where to find the save files and config files for Forza Horizon 6 on PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.